Welcome to AI/ML 30 Days Course Day 5. Today's topic is Probability and Statistics for AI, the language of data. If AI is the brain, probability and statistics are its common sense. Today, we'll see how AI uses math to deal with uncertainty and make predictions. Probability basics. Probability measures how likely something is to happen, between 0 and 1. 0 means impossible, 1 means certain. AI uses probability in spam filters, recommendation systems, and medical predictions. Example: this email has a 90% chance of being spam. Key terms. Event, the outcome we're interested in. Independent events. One event doesn't affect the other, like coin flips. Conditional probability. Probability given that something else has happened. Statistics basics. Statistics helps AI understand and summarize data. Core concepts in AI. Mean, the average, AI uses it to find central trends. Median, the middle value, great when data has outliers. Standard deviation, how spread out data is. Distributions, patterns in data, like normal distribution, bell curve. AI models often assume data follows certain distributions, especially in Bayesian models and Gaussian-based algorithms. How AI uses this in practice. Probability powers decision-making in AI, like predicting disease risk. Statistics lets AI understand the dataset before learning from it. Examples: naive Bayes classifier equals based on conditional probability. Regression models equals use statistical relationships. A/B testing equals uses statistics to compare options. Wrap up and tease. You now know the basics of probability and statistics, the language AI speaks to make smart predictions. Tomorrow in Day 6, we'll explore datasets and data preprocessing. Because without good data, even the smartest AI fails. Like, subscribe, and let's keep going.